All right, start on page 76 of the textbook. Question 9 I want you to do, and it's just asking you about sorting these things. Is a square a type of rectangle? So look at all the definitions of rectangles. Two pairs of parallel lines, all vertices are right angles. Does a square fit that? Yes, a square is a special type of rectangle. Is a rectangle a type of square? Well, no, not all rectangles have 4 congruent sides. So a rectangle is not a type of square. A square is a type of rectangle. A square is a type of rhombus. Yes, it is. You can see it just by looking at the chart. So if you have that chart in front of you, you should be able to answer question 9. Then I want you to go to question 3. Now, question 3 asks you to find the value of the pronumerals in these quadrilaterals. Pronumerals means the letters that represent numbers, like B over here and A over here. Those are pronumerals. And you can work those out because you've learnt about angles and parallel lines. You know, I'm going to find a better colour. You know that the co-interior angles, the angles inside this section here, as long as these lines are parallel, those co-interior angles add to 180. So find out what goes with 76 to make 180, and you've found A. Then find out what goes with A to make 180, and you've found B. Same over here. These two angles that are co-interior add to 180. 3 is easy. Let's go to question 4. I want to have a quick look at this one at 4E. You know that the sum of the interior angles of any polygon is the number of sides, take away 2, times 180. So this has 4 sides, take away 2, 2 times 180, that's 360. So the sum of all the angles is 360. You know this one, you know this one, you know this one. You can find the missing one like that. Easy enough. Moving on, skip question 5. Moving on to question 6. It's a little bit trickier because you're asked to find this angle out here. So first you've got to figure out what this one is. They all add up to 360. Then you've got to figure out what this one out here is. And remembering that these two will add up to 360 because they're part of a circle. 6B, you know this one, you know this one, you know this one. You can find this one and you can use it to find A because you know that A plus this angle here add up to 180. They're on a straight line. Number 6 is the tricky stuff for the people who are able to do that. Number 7, if you are feeling really clever, I'll show you how to do 7B. So all of these angles, 1, 2, 3, all 4 of them add up to 360. So you write a sum and it goes like this: 95 plus 85 plus, well, I don't know what this is, but it's 2x. So plus 2x. And I don't know what this is, but I know that it's x. So plus x, all of those added together equal 180. Now, then I simplify it. Where I've got 2x plus another x, I can make that say 3x. So I can rewrite this. I'm not going to rewrite this because it's too hard to write on this screen. So I'm just going to ravel that out and I'm going to change it and make it say 3x. All right, and doing it just like you did before, you start at 180, you take away the things you know, and you are left with 3x is equal to, let me just see what 180, take 95, take 85, equals, stay there. I know what, guess what I did wrong. That's not 180, that's 360. So these two are 180. So this bit is also 180 because they add together to make 360. So 3x's I'm not doing a very good job of this. 3 x's are 180. What is 1x? Well, 3 of them make 180. What are there 3 of in 180? There are 360s. So x equals 60. Right. Have a go. Maybe try and be a bit neater than I was. Let's see if you can do the next one. I will do number 4. I'll rub all of this out and I'll do number 4. I want you to have a go on your own first. This is just for if you're sitting at home and you want to have a go at this. Okay, we'll do it the same way. We've got x plus 4x plus 3x plus 2x, and they equal 360. How many x's have I got altogether? I've got 1 plus another 4, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 x's are 360. What are there 10 of in 360? Oh, that's 10 36s. So x equals 36. Okay, I'll be impressed if you can do those. That's the end. Do your work.